Citizens of Japan visited U.S. Army garrison Kwajalein Atoll this month to pay tribute to the Japanese war dead who perished during World War II battles with American forces in the Marshall Islands. They are daughters and sons, brothers and sisters, nieces and nephews of some of the several thousand Japanese defenders who died during Operation Flintlock and other battles in 1944. For many visitors, it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to pay tribute to and honor the spirit of their kin on the very islands in which they fought and died 74 years ago. The visitors' trip to the atoll was sponsored by the Japanese government and the Japanese War Bereaved Families Association, or Nippon Izokukai, with support also coming from USACA. Japanese ambassador to the RMI, Hideyuki Mitsuoka, attended last week's ceremony on Kwajalein and explained the overarching mission of these war-bereaved support groups.
This organization is a nationwide incorporated foundation chartered by Japanese government, and its main service consists of a memorial service for the war dead, welfare promotion of the war-bereaved families, and the collection of the remains of the war dead. The foundation has been playing an important role in honoring the legacy of Japan's lost service members. Specifically, in order to honor the legacy of Japan's lost service members, war-bereaved families visit many places, many countries, like the Marshall Islands. They visit Marshall Islands once or twice per year, and to conduct a memorial service.
Groups like this visit not only the RMI to pay their respects and remember their fallen relatives. The association also sends Japanese citizens to World War II battlefields throughout Asia, from Russia to Palau to China and the Philippines, and everywhere in between. Here in the Marshalls, the groups are always welcome on USACA to pay tribute to their kin alongside their American friends and allies.
There are many changes coming to the golf course, and MWR golf course manager Mark NICKLESS is the man with the plan.
My name's Mark NICKLESS. I'm the manager of the golf facilities here in Kwajalein and also in Roi. My job is to improve the facilities of the golf course. What we're doing tonight on our driving range or on our golf course here, we're introducing a new product or a new feature, which is to have a driving range here so people can come out and practice in the evening. I'm introducing our golf programs we're going to be doing through the year to make people really good golfers. Other than that, building some of the grassy areas like the tees, the greens, and the areas around the greens to make it a better and more enjoyable playing experience. The golf course has a long way to go where I would feel comfortable using it in serious golf events or tournaments. It's a lot of work because it was a little rough around the edges when I got here, but we're already making some progress there.
Christy Cardello's Kwajalein Junior Senior High School U.S. History 2 class visited DynCorp International archaeologist Grant Day and Caitlin Gilbertson Wednesday, March the 14th. The students learned about the interesting historical and prehistorical artifacts that have turned up in the U.S. Army garrison Kwajalein Atoll throughout the years. The students viewed bones, bombs, and bottles, as well as propellers and dishware recovered in dives and digs around Usaka. Gilbertson also gave the students a crash course in osteoarchaeology and demonstrated how she applied her in-depth knowledge of bone identification to her daily work. The students left with a great appreciation for the history all around us on the atoll.
You guys say it was pretty easy to figure out what bone it is?
February 27th marks the end of the AU League basketball season, with the championship game between Faith and the AQUANAUTS. Here are some highlights. Space Jam faced off against the Shooting Stars on February 28th for the school basketball championship game. And the water polo championship game was March the 3rd. Those guys took on the Turbo Turtles. Here are some highlights.